Text in Python. Python's string data type allows us to work with textual information efficiently. Text data is an integral part of web development, data analysis, and natural language processing. In this lesson, we will cover strings in detail. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Strings can be concatenated, indexed, and sliced. Let's start by creating a simple string. Here, we create a string called greeting and print it for everyone to see. Now let's concatenate two strings using the plus operator. Concatenate means to join together. Here we combined first name, a space, and last name to create the full name string. We can access individual characters in a string using indexing. Indexing means to get a character from particular positions in a string. We access the first character in alphabet using the index 0 and store it in first letter. Slicing allows us to extract a section from a string known as a substring. We can take the characters in the fruit string starting from index 5 to the end, extracting the substring berry. Strings are immutable, meaning their contents cannot be changed after creation. However, we can create new strings from existing ones. Here we use the replace method to create a new string called newMessage, replacing fun with awesome. We can also create new strings that are modified versions of the original. Here we use the capitalize method to capitalize the first character of the string and make all other characters in the string lowercase. Python strings are Unicode by default. This means we can work with text from different languages and scripts easily. This feature makes Python great for developing wherever you are in the world. We can even make a string of emojis. Today, we learned how to create, concatenate, index, slice, and modify strings. Next, practice working with text data and explore Python's built-in string methods to perform various string manipulations.